Welcome to English listening practice lesson. Today we will practice English together about topic a day in the forest at a slow speed to improve your listening and speaking skills. Pay attention and listen carefully. Once upon a time there was a little boy named Alex who loved to explore. He lived in a small town near a big, dark forest. Alex's parents always told him to be careful and never go into the forest alone. But Alex was curious and wanted to see what was inside. One sunny day, Alex decided to disobey his parents and sneak into the forest. He put on his favorite hat and grabbed a small basket to collect things he found. With a mix of excitement and fear, he stepped into the woods. As Alex walked deeper into the forest, the trees grew taller and the sunlight became dimmer. The air was filled with the sweet smell of fine needles and damp earth. He heard birds singing and squirrels chattering in the branches above. Suddenly, Alex saw a small, colorful butterfly fluttering from flower to flower. He chased after it, his heart pounding with excitement. The butterfly led him to a clearing filled with wildflowers of all colors. Alex sat down on a soft patch of grass and watched the butterflies dance around him. While he was sitting there, Alex heard a rustling sound behind him. He turned around and saw a deer standing a few feet away. The deer looked at him with its big brown eyes. Alex was so surprised that he forgot to be scared. He slowly reached out his hand and the deer nuzzled it gently. As the day went on, Alex continued to explore the forest. He found a hidden stream where he could cool off on a hot day. He saw a family of rabbits playing in the tall grass. He even discovered a secret cave filled with sparkling crystals. Alex had so much fun exploring the forest that he lost track of time. When he finally remembered to check his watch, it was almost dark. He knew he had to go home before his parents started to worry. With a heavy heart, he turned around and started walking back towards the town. As he walked, Alex thought about how much he loved the forest. It was a magical place filled with wonder and adventure. He promised himself that he would come back again soon, but this time he would tell his parents first. When Alex finally reached home, his parents were relieved to see him. They scolded him for disobeying them. But they were also proud of him for having an adventure. Alex promised to be more careful in the future. From that day on, Alex visited the forest often. He learned to appreciate the beauty and mystery of nature. He also learned the importance of obeying his parents and being responsible. And most importantly, he discovered that the best adventures are often the ones you take with a friend.